I'm looking at you and I see a man who has surrendered before the battle even started. You've been told your feelings matter more than your results. You've been told that it's okay to be weak because the world is hard. That is a lie designed to keep you at the bottom of the food chain. Nature doesn't have a mental health category. A wolf doesn't get to feel depressed and skip the hunt. If he skips the hunt, he dies. If he is weak, the pack leaves him behind. We are the only species on the planet that celebrates our own fragility. We have turned comfort into a god, and we wonder why we feel empty. You aren't empty, you are just untested. You are a high performance machine being used to scroll through digital trash. Let's talk about your name. Your name used to mean something. It used to represent the line of men who survived the plague, survived the winter, and built civilizations out of dirt. They didn't have air conditioning, they didn't have safe spaces. They had a blade, a purpose, and a brotherhood. If your great grandfather saw you right now, crying because someone didn't text you back, or staying in bed because it's raining, he would not recognize you as his own blood. He would see you as a stranger. You are living in a world built by giants, and you are acting like a parasite. You consume, you sleep, you complain, you take the warmth of the fire, but you never go out and find the wood. Respect is the currency of the masculine world. You can't buy it, you can't manifest it. You earn it by doing the things that make other men want to quit. You earn it by being the man who stands up when the roof is falling. Right now, nobody respects you because you don't even respect yourself. You know every time you lie to yourself. You know every time you break a promise to your own soul. People tell me, Arham, why are you so hard on the youth? I'm hard on you because the world is going to be harder. The economy doesn't care about your potential. The woman you want doesn't care about your intentions. They care about your utility. What can you do? What can you provide? Who can you protect? If the answer is nothing, then you are invisible and you deserve to be. Masculinity is about sovereignty. It is about being the master of your own domain. If you can't even control the movement of your own hand, put down the phone. You aren't a man. You are a biological puppet being played by a billionaire's algorithm. I am not here to be your friend. I'm here to be the wall you have to climb to get to the other side. Discipline is not a habit, it is a war. It is a daily, early battle between the man you are and the corpse you are becoming. From this second forward, The boy is dead. We aren't trying anymore. We are executing. You will eat for fuel, not for pleasure. You will move your body until it screams, and then you will move it some more. You will speak only when you have something to say that is more powerful than the silence. The tribe is watching, the ancestors are watching, and most importantly, I am watching. Do not come back to this channel until you have done something that made you want to quit, and you stayed anyway. So do the hard work, especially when you don't feel like it.